Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture training, you will learn about selling to Amazon versus selling on Amazon. You can sell products on Amazon in two ways. First one, sell to Amazon. Second one, sell on Amazon. First one, sell to Amazon. If you are invited to sell your products to Amazon, Amazon will market and sell your product to shoppers on Amazon. You will sell your product to Amazon at wholesale rates. Once you have shipped the product out to Amazon, Amazon pays directly to you. It is a good option for you if you want to avoid the hassle of marketing, advertising and pricing the product inventory, as well as handling, shipping and other logistics for the sales of the product. Second one, sell on Amazon. You sell your product directly to customers on Amazon.com, controlling prices and shipping of the product. You can choose to ship the product out to customers yourself using fulfillment by merchant FBA service and your own fulfillment MFN, or let Amazon ship it out using fulfillment by Amazon FBA service, in which Amazon sorts packages and ships the product through their own fulfillment centers to your customers. If you use FBA service, Amazon stores your products in its own fulfillment centers. When customers order your products, Amazon packs your products and ships to your customers. You can set your own prices for your products when selling on the Amazon marketplace. You can increase the exposure to your product, increase sales, find new customers, and make more profits if you sell on Amazon. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.